So now let's see how we can work around with Math Mentor GPT option inside of ChatGPT. So I'm going to go around over here onto the Explore GPT section right here, and I'm going to go around and expand this out right here just like this. So if I were to go around onto By ChatGPT section right here, just like this, so By ChatGPT, so let's just go around and expand this, and over here you can see that Math Mentor is an option. So if I were to go around and click on Start Chat right here just like this, then this is what you have, as you can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, let's see, calculate the area of a circle, let's say, for example. So I'm going to go around and type that in, then it gives me the formula right here and gives me how we can calculate the area of the circle right here just like this. So I'm going to go around and say, let's say, for example, add this and this as binary numbers right here just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it converts out each of the contents right here on according to, let's say, into the binary number, as you can see right here just like this, and then it'll convert it out. So you can see that it converted it out onto binary number right here just like this, and then it adds in binary numbers, as you can see right here, and even gives the Python code, as you can see right here just like this. So that is how you can go around and give Math Mentor math problems inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.